Hi friends, India is aiming to become an economy of 5 trillion. Naturally, export-import is an important trade because today's world is interdependent world. With the GDP growth, with the growth expectations for the next year, we are looking forward to a brighter future, and compared to many countries in the world, we are doing much better. Also, we have great chances of expanding our business, and being the holding the presidency of G20, we have great chance of showcasing what we best can do. And this is one great opportunity for all Indians, established ones, the new companies, the new entrepreneurs, bright students, everybody put together. There is a great chance of increase our exports and thereby create employment, do lot many other things, improve ourselves, be a part of a global citizenship, and overall put India on a solid economic front. With the study of FTP, this would be possible. It will also give you a very good direction how to progress in the globalized world.